Question again is for the both of you. The two of you have been together for a while doing the film and then now promoting. What are the most important lessons that you've learned from each other?
Ayun na naman ako sa don't do drugs. Sige, bukod na lang doon.
Hindi, okay naman yun. Para consistent ka. Ano bang natutunan ko sa'yo, Barbie?
Ako siguro po yung natutunan ko po sa kanya is to show up. That's the most important thing. Kasi kitang-kita ko po talaga yung pagod ni Miss Eugene while doing the film because she was juggling 2 projects, if not 3. 3 projects all at the same time na hindi pare-parehas yung character. So, kailangan niyang parang i-motivate yung sarili niya always to, like give her best, always show up. And never kong nakita na parang may ginawang eksena si Miss Eugene na pinalampas niya kasi pagod na siya. Lagi she's always there. She always makes us feel na she's present in every scene. She always gives. She's very generous. So, mas yun. Wag mong gawing excuse na marami kang ginagawa, ginusto mo yan eh. 'Di ba? Hindi naman para ma-compromise yung proyektong ginagawa mo kasi pagod ka, 'di ba?
True.
Yun po ang natutunan ko sa kanya.
Okay, so ang natutunan ko naman kay Barbie is that you have to trust the young generation, okay? You cannot be proud na, okay, nauna kami sa'yo, mas marami kaming alam. It's not true. If you have Barbie around in your work environment, you will learn a lot from this girl. She's really curious. She's very makulit because she wants to be perfect. And that is really good. So that's what I learned about her. I mean, don't be afraid to ask because you're interested and you want to deliver the right thing. So, ako kasi tamad akong magtanong. So, si Barbie matanong. So, ba't di ka na lang naging press?
Palit-palit tayo.
Hindi, okay yun. I mean, you're not too confident. You have to ask. Don't be afraid to ask. Huwag mahiyang magtanong. So, anong yan? Drug story.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Questions for the both of you. How do you balance being funny while still embodying the fairness of being a contributor?
Being funny?
Yes.
The script is funny.
Mm-hmm.
So, we just follow the script because the script is really good. Hindi kaya ng artista lang eh. So, the script is everything. So, we just follow the direction of Chris Martinez and the script is complete. So, there you go.
Yes, I have to agree with Miss Eugene. It's really the combination of the brilliance of the script and the direction of Mr. Chris Martinez. Yun talaga. As in, hindi ka mawawala ng landas eh. You just have to follow him and the script. That's it. Thank you.
Question to both of you. Kasi yung Contrabida Academy is quite intriguing yung title. From your end, what does it mean to be a Contrabida in real life? Parang ano ba siya? Positive ba siya? Or parang may malicious kind of side of being a Contrabida?
For me, kontrabida can be positive and negative. I mean, huwag ka namang pumatay, okay?
Hindi naman serial killer na yun.
Yeah, huwag kang manira ng buhay. I mean, kumontra ka lang kasi mali. At saka pag kumontra ka, huwag kang patalo. Panindigan mo yung kontra hanggang magwagi ka.
Para sa akin, nagiging positive ang isang kontrabida kung nakakontra niya ng tama yung bida.
Okay, mag-usapan na namin.
Yung question ko is, like, while filming this movie, if there's one unexpected thing that you've learned for being a Contrabida that you would wish your audience could get from watching this, ano po yun?
There's something good. If you try to be a Contrabida in real life, that is what the movie is trying to say. There's something good about it. So, try nyo, as I said, try nyo lang.
Ako, the most evil is the most fragile. The most evil is the most fragile. Kasi marami siyang kino-cover na, marami siyang facade. Kasi marami siyang tinatago. So, yun yung natutunan ko dito.
I think my question coincides with your answer. So, what are your thoughts about kontrabidas getting their own origin stories? And it turns out that they weren't really so bad to begin with.
Ah, ako po ba, madam?
For both of
Ready ka
you.
na ba?
Opo, ready naman po. Ako, yes, it is very important to have a very grounded backstory if you are about to play the villain in the story. Kasi the conflict will revolve around you. So, kailangan strong enough yung panggalingan mo para hindi lang basta mainis sa'yo yung tao. Ang goal ko talaga, whenever I watch or I portray someone who's bad, it's really to root for my character in the end. Or for me to root for the character that's bad in the end. Is yun.
Ano yung tanong?
Pagod na si Madam!
What are your thoughts about kontrabidas getting their own origin story? And then we find out that they weren't so bad to begin with.
Yeah, parang Joker,
Hindi
di ba?
totoo yan. Hindi totoo yan.
Okay, yun.
May bad tayo sa loob. Nahihiya ka palang ilabas.
Okay. Nang wala
Pero,
pinanggalingan to, Madam.
Walang sasabihin na, hindi, ano talagang mabait siya. Hindi totoo. May bad sa'yo. Hindi ka palang masyadong natitrigger or hindi ka palang nagkakaroon ng pagkakataon na lalakasan ko na, bahala na. Pero pag, may bad sa'yo.
Just waiting to come out.
Yes.
Mm-mm.
Good girls are bad girls that haven't been caught.
Ay, wow. Ooh, iba.
Diba?
Why do you think there is this admiration and fascination when it comes to kontrabidas? So we have, Sherry Hill's iconic copycat line until now is well known and well loved. And then of course we have Princess Punzalan's iconic laugh also, brings back memories. And even Meryl Streep's Devil Wears Prada
True.
character is also well loved. So why do you think that is? Do we all secretly want to be a kontrabida?
Yes, I agree. Lahat tayo gusto natin ng maganda tayo magbihis, lahat tayo, yung ang galing nating magsalita, yung talagang matatameme yung kausap mo, and lahat tayo gusto natin na pag sinabi natin, powerful. Kasi nasa DNA nating mga Pilipino, because we were colonized many times, na parang, opo, hindi, sige po, puro ganyan eh. I mean, it's not common na makakakita ka ng mga Pilipino na parang sila yung nagko-control or sila yung nagdo-dominate. So when we see those characters on screen, grabe, ginawa niya yung gusto kong gawin. So, tutok ka doon. But when you watch Kontrabida Academy, sana we will be awakened. Pwede nating totoong buhay yung maging kontrabida. Try nyo lang.
Masaya. Actually, ako siguro, I'll answer from the point of view of Gigi, my character, na parang, in-admire ko kasi how Mauricia really approaches everyone, how she carries herself. So I think mas yun, ina-idolize natin yung impact and yung power and yung strength ng pagiging kontrabida. Lalo na pag alam natin sa sarili natin na hindi ganun ka taas ang ating self-esteem. Mas yun, mas parang we admire the better. We always admire the better. And we feel like being a kontrabida is better. Kasi mas na-address nila ng tama yung issues nila. So I think yun.
Hi, may